हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब। मैं हूं अंकित सागर। तो आज ये मेरे चैनल की पहली वीडियो है जिसमें मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि ऐप डेवलपमेंट कैसे करते हैं, कैसे शुरू करते हैं। और आज ही हम एक फर्स्ट ऐप भी बनाएंगे। अगर आप सब ऐप डेवलपमेंट पे न्यू हैं तो हम आपकी लाइफ का ये पहला ऐप होने वाला है। अ, अच्छे से देखिएगा और काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव चैनल होने वाला है ये ऐप डेवलपमेंट के लिए, एज वेल एज वेबसाइट और वेब डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी। तो हम शुरू करते हैं। फ्रंट एंड एंड बैक एंड बोथ सब कुछ यहाँ पे लगभग हम लोग कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सो दिस विल बी अ फुल स्टैक development channel. So let's begin with our first app of our life, not our of your life, because I have built a lot of apps. So let me start. uh, ये गलती मैंने कर दी शुरू में ही कि मैंने OBS को मिनिमाइज नहीं किया। खैर, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो सबसे पहले तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है, क्रोम खोल लेना है। क्रोम में आप लोगों को डालना है flutter.dev और या flutter.dev। So after you just went to this website, click on this get started button, and here you will see an installation guide how you can install whatever the platform you are having, either Windows, Mac OS or Linux। वो आपको चूज़ कर लेना है। लाइक मैं अभी विंडोज़ पे हूँ तो मैं विंडोज़ चूज़ करूँगा। फिर आपको अपनी सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट्स एटलीस्ट देख लेनी है कि इतनी सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट्स होनी चाहिए। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विंडोज़ 7 SP1 और लेटर 6486 64 बेस्ड होना चाहिए। आर्किटेक्चर और डिस्क स्पेस आपकी एटलीस्ट 1 GB 1.32 GB होनी चाहिए। एंड टूल्स आपके पास कुछ होने चाहिए, विंडोज़ पावर शेल एंड गेट। एंड पावर शेल, द वर्जन इज ऑल्सो being listed over here, so if you have older version of the PowerShell then you should update it. And this is already pre-installed with Windows 10, so you don't have to if you have Windows 10. And Git for Windows, if you don't have Git or you are new to programming, because um, here on this channel we will begin everything from very starting, from the zero. So if you are new to this programming world also, then I'll show you that how you can install the Git. So you just have to click on this link so that it let's go back, right click and open in a new tab. Okay, then you just have to install the Git. How you can install it is just click over here, click here to manually download your download. You are downloading the latest version, so just click over here and download the Git. Okay, let me just download. Actually, I've already installed in my PC, but on my PC, but let me just show you how you can. So just select the location, whatever, wherever you want to download this. Let it be downloaded. Uh, Speed is okay, like, so it will take at around 1 minute to download. Okay, continuing to the our Flutter guide. Sorry for the inconvenience, I have some constipation problem and all that. So okay, so coming to the topic, uh, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इफ गिट इज ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल मेक श्योर यू रन गेट इन द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट एंड पावरशेल। ओके, अगर आप देखना चाहते हो कि गिट आपके कंप्यूटर में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है या फिर नहीं है, तो उन्होंने हम लोगों को एक छोटा सा ये एग्जांपल दे रखा है कि हम कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं। आप लोग को क्या करना है, विंडोज़ की होगी फंक्शन के बगल में या फिर कंट्रोल के बगल में जिस पे विंडोज़ का आइकन बना होगा, उसको प्रेस करके आर प्लस कर देना है, विंडोज़ प्लस आर। एंड देन उसमें आपको टाइप करना है CMD। CMD टाइप करने के बाद ओके पे क्लिक कर देना है। यू विल सी दिस screen, this window, CMD window. This is your location where you are, what I can say, you are in this directory on this CMD. So what you just have to do is you just have to type git, and if the git is present, then you will see this kind of output. If you don't have git, then you will see this type of output, like git, not the t, it will be just git, to show you that git is not present in your computer. I just to show you the error, I just made a mistake with the spelling. Okay, git is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or a batch file. Okay, so if git is present in your computer, then you will see this type of output, otherwise you will see this type of output. To check which version of Git you are running on your PC, then you just have to type Git, then double dash, and then version. You will see, oh, so it's saying VERS, oh, sorry, VERSION version, and now you will see the version of your Git. So this is the Git version 2.29.2. Windows.1. So Git is being downloaded over here. I'll just show you how you can download Git. Oh, how you can install Git. Okay, coming to the Flutter guide. First you have to install the Git, then you have to Flutter, then you have to download the Flutter SDK. Okay, this is the SDK setup. You just have to download this SDK. All right. Now let me just download this SDK. Wait for the download complete because it's really a large file. It's around 500 MB or 400 MB, between 400 to 500 MB. Okay, and this is the latest stable version, so you can just download it. And I'm just waiting for this Git download to be completed so that I can show you how you can just install Git. Mm, just saying, just I'm taking 25 seconds. It's going. Wait. Okay, now you just have to open this, the downloaded file, and after opening it, you just have to click over yes. Then what you have to do, you just have to click on install, and it will install your Git. And if it asks you some other options to select, then what you just have to do, you just have to click next, and then finally finish. You just have to do this. You don't have to opt for any other uh, uh, options. Okay, right now I'm just canceling it because I've already installed it on my PC. If you face any kind of difficulty while installing, I'll attach a YouTube link to install Git. Okay. Actually, I'm not showing properly not showing because I already have it, and if I just delete, and then it will be really a hodgepodge for me too. Okay, so now what you have to just do, you just have to download. You just have to click on this icon, this button. Then the website will ask you to save this file. You just have to save to your desktop or wherever you want to do. Just do that. Now, after downloading this file, what you have to do is minimize it. Go to the this PC, then go to your this Windows C or C drive. Here you just have to create a folder name src, all in what I say. It's not small letters, but you understand. Okay, so src. Then under that you just have to create, in that you just have to create a folder named Flutter, and inside that you just have to paste what you have downloaded, this folder what you have downloaded. This will be a zip file, so you just have to unzip it, and whatever the files will be in that unzipped folder, you just have to paste it over here like this. Okay, and this kind of thing you will see only in that file. Okay, now अब क्या करना है आपको? What you just have to do is go over this website only and then follow the instructions. Now what you leave it, update your path. Yeah, we क्या करेंगे हम अपने विंडोज में फ्लटर का एक path, मतलब what update your path means is to recognize Flutter command as global. We just have to add the path to the environment variables, like to make my address global to all of you. I just have to add my address to the Google Maps so that you can see it. All right, so this way what we have to do, we have to update path of our Flutter so that in wherever directory we are, we just have to type Flutter command and it will properly work. All right, so just click on this start button or just click on the search button and just type edit, edit system environment variables. Just click over it. Coming over here, you just have to click इस पे click करेंगे हम environment variables पे, and then here this path variable, just right click, not right click, just double click on it, and you will see a screen like this. And inside this, I already have the path, that is this csrc/flutter/bin. Okay, one thing more, if you don't have space in your C drive, like I don't have much space in my C drive, that is 10.2 GB, or 10.2 GB is more than enough for Flutter. Okay, but if you don't have this much, or even you don't have 1 GB of space, then you can choose another drive. Just have to do the same thing. Go over there. You just have to create a folder name called src. Then you just have to go and create a folder name called Flutter, and then you just have to paste it over here. Okay, this is all what you have to do. Now let me just delete the folders what I created for showing you. Now, coming over to this environment variables, what you just have to do, wherever the drive you chose, okay, the drive you chose, that one, just have to click on this new line, okay, wherever the nothing is, then just type this capital C, then these colons, and then slash, and then src, and the drive, you just have to type that drive where you have pasted your Flutter that zip file. Okay, so src, then Flutter, then flutter, then bin. Okay, you just have to type this. If you have pasted that extracted file, if you have extracted the file in the D drive or wherever the drive E drive, then you just have to do it like this. Okay, as I already have it over here, so I will not do okay, but you just have to add it and then just press this OK button. Okay, currently I will be like deleting this. I'll be deleting this because I already have. Okay, now press OK, OK, and then OK. Okay, now what you just have to do is you just have to open your command prompt, that is cmd. If you don't have the cmd opened, then you have to do is window plus r, type the cmd and press enter. Okay, you will see this. Now what you just have to do is you just have to sorry, you just have to type flutter and nothing to this, and it will take some time for you because you are running the command for the first time in your PC. Even for me it's taking time. Okay, now we will do Flutter doctor. Okay, Flutter have its own doctor which checks for the errors and all the things in your PC for the Flutter. Okay, so right now in my PC it will show only one error because I don't have any device connected, but in your PC you will get so many errors. If you don't have Android Studio installed and VS Code installed, then you will see only four errors. If you have installed Android Studio and VS Code in your PC previously, then you will see only one error, that is tool chain. And if you have installed the Android Studio, then your tool chain will also be set up perfectly. And then you must be seeing error for the VS Code because it might possibly don't have installed the VS Code plugin. So we will be installing VS Code plugin. I have already installed, but I'll show you how to do that. Okay, and we will resolve this error also, that doctor found one issue, and that's not an error, it's just kind of issue. So we'll solve it. Okay, right now what you just have to do, we have installed Flutter perfectly. I don't know how long this video is. Uh, it's of about 13 minutes and it's really long. So let me just complete it over here only. Okay, let me just complete it over here. And in the next video, we'll see. I'm sorry that in the starting I said that we'll be developing our first app, but don't worry, I'll be uploading the same video today only, so you can watch the next video because I don't want to make the video so long because then user or people don't watch that long video, right? So that's why. Okay, bye bye. See you. Happy coding.